and the new people who are watching this, welcome to the Enjay crew. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to be playing with this Hot Wheels new for 2023 2-pass big jump vertical 8 jump. Alright, so we got it. Hot Wheels knows how to make their stuff stronger and stronger. Let's see if I can unbox this. Whoa!
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Guys, look. Instructions. I wonder what the stickers are. We got a green looking pool that can make water go out from here. We have this. This looks like a brush. It's not time to brush my hair. So we also got this. Oh, it's like an alternating Y, but Hot Wheels edition track. We got another one of these. Has anyone seen my Marble Run video? Then you'll know what an alternating Y is. All right, here's this part. Slide. What else do we have? What in the world? I wonder what this is. So you know what? There's way too many of these. I'm just gonna dump it all out instead of counting it one by one. Here we go. Oh boy, this is gonna be a lot of noise. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, we have a lot of stuff and blue things. So be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more Hot Wheels new for 2023. This is actually my mission. So if you want to see more, like I said, like and subscribe. Anything else? Oh, it's the car. I forgot the car again. Wow, little, yellow speedster with bright metallic red wheels, and the top is blue. Well, it's time for sticker time. Oh, great. No stickers, guys. Oh. At least it's going to be quicker. Just instructions. All right, let's get building. Let's go. What? All right. Oh, my goodness. Did I get it? Oh, no. Let's see if I can get it. That was really hard, harder than I expected. All right, zone 1 is done. To get this part, this is gonna look like a fun slide, and I got it. All right. Yes. Oh my goodness, look at that. All right, let's see if I can put Z into Y. Y. Y can be used in a lot of words. Wow, that looks cool. All right, we got the pool part with this Hot Wheels signs. There's no stickers, so we can't put anything. All right, that was so easy, the easiest one of all.
Yes!
Let's see this. All right, we got it. There we go. Next thing. All right, the soft brush is in there. All right, next thing. Alright, we got it. Now this zone 2 is complete. Zone 3, the most, you're up. Alright, that was easy. Alright, now this is all connected. Okay, we got it. Next thing. Let's see if I can get this part. Oh, that was way too easy. Alright! Wow! Next part. Here we go. Zone 3 is almost done. Alright! Here we go. Squeeze it. Oh. Wait, did I get it? Oh my goodness, I got it the whole time! So zone 4 is all done. Seemed to be the least amount. Here's zone 5. Here we go. All right. Alright guys, let's see if I can get it. Alright! Alright, snap. Alright, we got these 2 parts of loopy-loops. Now it's time for the next day. Got my work cut out for me. Alright, now. Oh. Alright. Here we go. Alright. A lot of hard work. Alright. Oh, this part. Oh, I'm getting it. My hard work is paying off. Never mind. Did I get it? I think I got it. Alright, final thing. Yes! It's complete! Now this is a lot for just one car, so I'm gonna get my own cars. Let's go! So it's all done. Let's have some fun! Alright, one car. I got my own suitcase too, if you didn't hear me. Alright, here we go. Let's try this side. Whee! Oh my goodness. Now let's make it a lot of cars. Here we go. This is gonna be fun. Oh boy. A little bit too much. Let's take them out. I like the way they get stuck, and then you can turn it and make it go through here, and sometimes it goes through the pool without water. So too bad the cars don't get a good wash. Whee! See? It worked! 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Oh my goodness, it barely made it. Ooh, a close one. Let's try this guy. He hasn't got it many, right? I love this car. So, you know how I have all these cars? So like I said, my uncle bought me the cage where I could store some cars, but he also bought me these kind of cars, so shout out to him. Now, let's keep going. Way too fast, way too fast. You gotta put it at the right speed where it gets stopped, or just put it at the wrong speed. Oh, yes, yes, yes! This is so much fun! I can't believe it. Whew, that was a long time of connecting. Whoop. And whee! Let's try this again. Faster! Nope, faster is not key. Let's see if it is. Thank you so much for watching, Enjay Crew. This was a lot of fun. Shout out to Hot Wheels. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of these kinds. And maybe I can do a part 2 and make Hot Wheels, maybe another Hot Wheels city, but new for 2023. Bye, see you in the next episode.